Okay, so originally I made my foundation like this, where I would have two smaller braids because I was going to try to do the whole crochet underneath to create like this seamless look that everybody's doing. But y'all, I was feeling miserably. So I'm going to show y'all me trying to attempt it. But I wind up actually still liking doing this type of foundation because I was actually able to take out one of the braids and use it as my leave out. Okay, after multiple attempts, I went ahead and just did some leave out, and ever since I cut my hair has been growing so good. I have not put a lick of heat to it. So this method was honestly just something that I thought of right on the spot. I'm going to be blow drying my hair, like kind of blowing it out and molding it down with cool air. I did not even use hot air from my blow dryer, but for the most part, it did lay it down. But from a few days of wearing this look, I did realize that overnight it does not last in its molded state. So you would have to keep it molded down daily if you're using the cool setting. If you're using a warm to hot setting, it will stay in place.